Estimation MEP gives the user the opportunity to select a layer and style while doing takeoff. To select a layer, click on the drop-down tab and choose from any layers here. If you'd like to modify the style you're using, click the Style drop-down. To create a new layer, click on the drop-down and click Manage Layers. From here, the pane on the right-hand side will open up and you have the ability to either edit existing layers or create a new layer. When creating that new layer, you assign a default style from your predefined style list. This list can always be added to through your settings. Now, when you select that layer, it will automatically select the associated style. To create a new style easily from your takeoff, click Manage Styles. This will bring you right to your company settings, where you have the ability to create custom job styles. Modifying a job style will modify it for this job only, whereas changing a company setting will change any presets company-wide that your users have upon starting a new estimate.